I'm now going to put the cement into the lead to make the window weatherproof. I usually mix up my own cement, but on this occasion, because I want a really stiff cement, I've bought some putty, just ordinary putty, and I'm adding black pigment to it. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when you cement a double layer of glass, the thing you have to worry about is the cement squeezing out in between the two layers of glass, because if it does that, there's nothing you can do about it. And the cement I mix up myself is a little, it's just a little looser, little runnier than the cement you buy in the shops. I'm also being very careful with my cementing because, like I say, really don't want it to squeeze out in between the glass. And again, because of that, what I'm going to do is cement one side of the glass and then let that dry. And then when that's gone off, I'll cement the other side of the glass. And this is just me being very, very careful, just lots of precautions to try and control, the things you don't want to happen. And it did seem to work. This worked fine. But it's just worth being extra careful because there's nothing, you don't want to ruin it at this stage.